Okay, class 5, we're learning how to talk about time, and we'll conjugate our verbs from this. So time, you would think this would be international, but there are countries where people don't wear watches. Now, presently, currently, little children learn this one right away. I want it now. So think of that you're standing on a timeline. So if where you are is now, everything in front of you on that timeline is future or will. So you could add that to your verb. Past is in behind you, your past, before, previously. You can even go a long time ago. Once upon a time, you kind of get a dreamy look on your face. Once upon a time, and you can use that to show past tense. But we're going to learn other ways too. And this is an ASL mouth movement. Finished, done, already. So that can be another way to show past tense. I studied, finished study. Your non-dominant hand is your horizon. The sun comes up, it's morning. The sun is straight up and down, it's noon. The sun starts to set, it's afternoon. When it gets below the horizon, it's night. And pretty soon you'll start doing it close to your hand. It's just more comfortable that way. And in this sign, you could show it was early morning, like crack of dawn, or it was late afternoon or early afternoon. You can show a little nuance if you want to. Day, get your horizon there and you point at the sun as it goes across the sky. Day. You can do it either way. Usually I see it from up to down, but you can go down to up. So today is now day. Today. So tonight would be tonight. Tomorrow is a little bit in your future. Yesterday is a little bit in your past. Recently, so it's an X hand brushing back on your cheek. Recently, if you squish your face a little, I just woke up. A little while ago. All those phrases. A year, it takes a year for the earth to rotate around the sun. Year. Now next year has become a contraction, like we don't say it is not, we say it isn't. You just hit it like you've circled and do 1 year in your future. You can do 2 years. You can go up to 4 years, and then you have to do 5 years future. Last year, same thing. You hit it like you've done the circle, and you do 1 year in your past. Now, if you're forgetting circle, that's okay. They'll know what you mean. Days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, circle the H. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Looks like a hallelujah kind of movement to me. And I noticed I did the old way of doing Thursday because I had learned do the T, circle the H. You can just circle the H. But if you do this, they'll know what you mean. It just shows my age. An hour. Non-dominant hand shows the face of the clock, and the minute hand goes around and back to the 12. An hour. Now, if you have trouble with your wrist, which I don't, you can keep it straight and do an hour. A week. 1 row on the page of a calendar. A week. Now I don't have it on there, but next week would be a week in your future. Last week is a week in your past. Weekend. A month. Something is going down. I picture a candle burning down. It takes a month. Something. One of those big sand hourglass things, but it took a month for the sand to go down. And then your months are just the abbreviation you would have on your calendar, like it would be January, February. May doesn't have one. Spring and grow. Summer, I thought of getting the beads of sweat off your forehead with the letter X hand. Fall, leaves are at the bottom of the tree. This is your tree and all the leaves are at the bottom. Fall, autumn. Winter, now you notice winter is the same as cold, but there's no facial grammar. Winter, cold, has to have some kind of facial grammar, plus you'd get it from context. Not a level 1 sign, but too cute not to teach you. What do? What are you doing? It probably was D-O, D-O, D-O. What are you doing? What are we going to do? Must, need, have to, should, ought to. I pictured some teacher with an arthritic, gnarly finger going, you have to do your homework. You have to. Wait. Now, deaf people can't hear it. But when you're waiting, you tend to drum your fingers on the table. Wait. And you're not going to have to use this very often, but not. Because, as we discussed, you can just shake your head no during anything like, it's not bad, I'm not happy, I'm not young. Just shake your head no during it and you've negated your word. And that is our class 5.